fair. And if I'm wrong, I'll wear a BlockStream t-shirt at the next time I come to a meetup in Korea.
Well, I'm not a gambler like you, so...
It's a t-shirt. There's nothing at risk. And I'll pay for either t-shirt.
No, I'm good.
So you're not confident in the thing that you just asserted so confidently? You just told me that the Bitcoin Core transactions are lower than Bitcoin Cash transactions.
In Satoshis.
In Satoshis per byte. And I said that that's incorrect, and I can pull it up and prove it to you right now. And if I'm wrong, I'll wear a BlockStream t-shirt. If I'm right, you'll wear a Bitcoin Cash t-shirt. So and I'll pay for both t-shirts. So you have absolutely nothing on the line except for your pride.
Well, the thing
what say you?
The payment, the fees are constantly changing. So,
and the fees are consistently higher on Bitcoin Core than on Bitcoin Cash.
That would be false.
So let's bet on it, a t-shirt, right?
Currently?
You're saying it's false, but you're not willing to put even wearing a t-shirt on the line in regards to that?
Well, what I have to do is I have to search it, and it's currently...
I'll search it for you right now, and since you're not willing to take a bet, we'll put this on YouTube, and everybody can see that you're just making stuff up that isn't true. So give me 1 second, and we'll pull it up. So Bitcoin Core fees per byte, or Satoshis per byte.
Is it possible to ask a personal question?
Go for it.
I have heard from reputable sources that you were claiming that you did not know too much. You don't know the technical aspects of Bitcoin, so it's better left up to the Bitcoin core devs to make up the decisions for Bitcoin.
I may have said something along those lines that I'm not as technically adept as many of the Bitcoin core devs.
So you said that they should make the decisions themselves for what's best for Bitcoin.
But they don't have any understanding of economics. And if they're not coding towards the right economic goal, it doesn't matter how good of software programmers they are. So
you didn't answer my question.
Rephrase it again so I can understand.
You said that you aren't as technically knowledgeable as the core developers. So you said that core developers should make scaling decisions that they believe is the best for Bitcoin.
I may have said that. So what is your question?
Currently, you don't believe in...
Absolutely not. I think the core developers on Bitcoin Core are a bunch of economic ignoramuses who have held back the rate of economic growth of the entire world.
Well, not the economic. I'm talking about the decentralized nature of it.
And once again, the decentralized nature is not the goal in and of itself. It's censorship resistance.
Well, would you say...
Would you like me to answer the question?
Well, would you say that Bitcoin Cash is centralized?
No. I don't know a single person ever that's ever had their Bitcoin Cash transaction censored.
Is it possible to do a 51% attack currently on Bitcoin Cash?
It's technically possible to do it on Bitcoin Core, too. You just have to have enough hash rate.
Well, can a pool do it right now? Can one single pool from Bitcoin...
I suppose it's possible, sure, but it hasn't happened.
Very possible, so it's insecure.
So let's look up your lie about the Satoshis per byte here. So give me 1 moment. So... What do you think the right thing to Google for is? I put maybe Bitcoin Core fee rate or Satoshis per byte? Didn't.
I'll send it to you on Twitter.
No. I'll pull it up right here. Just pulling up the Wikipedia and stuff. What is it? Bitcharts. You know the website I'm talking about?
I am not aware of that website.
Bitchartsinfo.com or something like that. So hold on. Oh, there we go. Bitinfocharts.com, that's the one.
We need the PDF file, that PPT file for that presentation.
Okay, I can send it to you right now. So, should I forward it to Jeff, or I thought Jason sent it to everybody? No. Who should I?
I'll just me.
Should I send it to you? 1 second.
What do you think of the Satoshis.place website?
Or you can just send it to me. I think
it shows how juvenile many people on the Bitcoin Core camp are drawing pictures of
transactions on Bitcoin Network is.
Bitcoin Lightning Network transactions aren't Bitcoin transactions. They're not Lightning. They're not Bitcoin transactions. So hold on, too many things happening at once. So
I saw you were.
You want me to email it to you? One moment, please. I can see that. Okay, you want me to email it?
Yeah,
or?
email.
Is this going to be edited?
Yeah, we'll edit out the boring parts where like I'm.
Oh, you're going to edit my arguments.
And we can post the thing in its entirety as well, so that people want to see the entire thing. But the one thing that I want them to see is that you weren't even confident enough to make a bet over what T-shirt to wear. So like should be really embarrassing. So it's sending right now. So hold on, I have the website up here. So here we go. Bitcoin average transaction fees. So here we go. You have the Bitcoin median transaction fee.
Are you sure that's not a biased website?
No, I don't even know who owns it. So here we go. So in blue is Bitcoin Core, and in red is Bitcoin Cash. And so you can see even right now, if we zoom in all the way today, the blue line is higher than the red line. So there you go. If you had made the bet, you would be wearing a Bitcoin Cash shirt. So what you were saying was wrong. Would you like to zoom in? Can you see that there?